Want to know how to delete your LinkedIn account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now tap on this profile icon on the top left corner. Tap on Settings next to View Profile. Tap on Account Preferences on the top. Scroll down. Here you have an option of Close Account. Tap on Close Account. And if you're sure you want to close your account, you lose your connection, messages, endorsement and recommendation. If you're sure, you can tap on Continue on the bottom. And you can choose any of the reason for closing your account. I'm going to randomly choose one. You can also do the same and tap on Continue on the bottom. Now insert a password related to this account. When you're done, you can unsubscribe yourself from LinkedIn email communication including invitation. Tap on this blank section if you want it to happen and tap on Done on the bottom. Just by doing it, you can see that I have successfully closed my account. You can also do the same. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.